this video we will talk about the number of muscles in the human body overview. The muscular system consists of a group of specialized cells called muscle fibers. In fact, muscles connect to a number of other parts of the body in order to be able to perform their function, which are the bones, internal organs and blood vessels, and the main function of muscles is to contract with the aim of movement. It can be said that the various body movements are caused by muscle contraction, in cooperation with the joints and the skeletal system, including walking and jogging, and it is worth noting that muscle contraction helps to perform a number of other functions in the body other than movement, such as taking a certain position of the body such as standing or sitting, the stability of the joints, and the production of heat through the metabolic processes that occur in the muscles, knowing that the production of heat during these processes is important to maintain the body temperature within acceptable limits. By completing talking about the role of muscles, it is indicated that healthy muscles allow a person to move freely and give him the strength necessary to enjoy various exercises, including swimming, and as is known, exercise contributes to maintaining a healthy heart, and performing the required tasks such as sweeping carpets and mowing the lawn. The muscles play an important role in giving the joints the required shape. For example, if the muscles around the knee weaken, the chance of injury to the knee rises, and strong muscles help maintain the required body balance. The number of muscles in the human body. The muscles of the body make up about 40% of the weight of the whole body, because the number of muscles in the human body exceeds 600 muscles, and by talking about muscles, we show that each muscle consists of thousands of muscle fibers, and each muscle fiber is 40 millimeters long, so that it consists of small strands of fibers smaller in size are known as fibrils, and muscle strength depends mainly on the number of fibers that make up it. As for muscle contraction, it is under the command and control of nerves, and for muscle fuel it is simply adenosine triphosphate, resulting from the body's metabolism of food, as muscles use adenosine triphosphate to produce kinetic energy. Types of muscles in the human body. There are 3 types of muscles in the human body, and they are briefly explained below. First, skeletal muscles. Striated muscles are also known because they appear under the microscope in the form of strings, which are specialized tissues connected to the bones in a way that allows their movement, and the bones together with the skeletal muscles are known as the musculoskeletal system, and it is worth mentioning that these muscles are classified within the voluntary movements, meaning that the person controls their contraction and extension. In fact, the muscular system is the largest organ in the body, making up 45 to 55% of body mass. Second, smooth muscles. These muscles are also known as involuntary muscles, because their movement, contraction and extension, is not subject to human control, and they are present in blood vessels such as arteries, and many internal organs such as the gastrointestinal tract and the uterus, and these muscles are arranged in layers that contract in a certain order. Third, cardiac muscle. These muscles are similar to skeletal muscles in that they appear in the form of strings under a microscope, but they differ from them in that the heart muscle contracts and relaxes without human awareness and awareness. If you like video, give it like and share with your friends. For more tips and tricks, subscribe the channel.